everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to log in to the Scoop TV account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser and into the URL box type in thescooptv.com and press enter on your keyboard. Doing this will take you to the official website for the Scoop. Now click on the login button at the top right hand corner, which will then take you to the sign in page. Enter your registered email address for your The Scoop TV account in the first text box. After typing in your correct email, go to the next field and type in your password as well. If you don't remember your password, click on the Forgot Password link and follow through the password reset process. After filling in both of your passwords and your email address, click the login button in order to log into the Scoop TV account. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.